Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates of Miss Iloilo 2024.
It's so inviting, feels like a treat. Iloilo City, where my heart finds beats. Locals are living with pride. Their love is shining so bright, dance from morning till night. Sweet Ilonggos will light your day. Follow the beat of your heart, let it lead you the way. Heartbeats in Iloilo, where love is all around. The place of gold is what you found. And visitors from far away, we welcome you. Come see our culture in the sky.
Yalino Peshdar, forever in our hearts, where the past is always present, a tapestry of art. Home of loving people, polite and sweet, a softness you can't hear, love's melody is complete.
Sweet Ilonggos will light your day. Follow the beat of your heart, let it lead you the way. Heartbeats in Iloilo, where love is all around. The place of gold is what you found. And visitors from far away, we welcome you. Come see our culture in display. Heartbeats in Iloilo, where love is all around. The place of gold is what you found. And visitors from far away, we welcome you. Come see our culture in display. Make some for gliding, join my parade. All up from the west, call it protest. Sweet Ilongo, baby, let me tell you some story. The ballet, hit that conga for me, lifting my trap. You see, being a genre, will be the adventure can get pretty. Pack it up into the legacy. Would you try with some company? I can make it simple as maybe. Down the street with a little cruise. Wanna see something classical?
Angel Jet, Zaragoza La Torre, Santa Barbara! Raniela Luis Arellano Aguila, Kabatuan!
My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo.
Baby Marie Hega, Maasin!
My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo.
Hamda Aliyah Hudikpa, San Miguel!
My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo.
Clarice Arca Jocadis, Calao Dumangas!
My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo.
Shaima Robles Aliansuri, Gimbal!
My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats
Roname Cladrios, Bakong Dumangas!
in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in
Niglin
Iloilo.
Tigre Sutay,
In
Tigbawan!
Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo.
Alexi May, Kaimoso Brooks, Leon!
My heart beats in Iloilo. My heart beats in Iloilo. Iloilo.
Iloilo.
May your face lumapit, Pasig City! Giovanni J. Nationdayo. Utos! JV Lucero Duplas, Concepcion! Ray to be, Patosa Pantay, Pututan! Pearl Angel Ribo Franco, Ahoy!
Ladies and gentlemen, our pageant host for tonight, crowned first runner-up in the 2016 Miss Grand International Pageant, Miss Nicole Cordavis, and Miss Universe Philippines 2020, our very own Miss Rabia Mateo.
Maayong gabi, Iloilo! Wow, kamusta ka mo dira? Nahidlaw ako sa inyo, Iloilo! Let's go, partner! There, hello to my Ilongga partner for tonight, Rabia Mateo! Eto, alam ko naman, the energy here is loud. And I know you guys are excited, but just to confirm, are you guys excited?
I can hear the energy.
And feel it thrumming throughout this wonderful venue that we have here tonight. And I am so excited to be back for the second year around because, you know, Iloilo is so rich in culture, beauty, as we can see, diba? From its historical sites, delightful local cuisines, which I stuffed myself with for 2 straight days, and the spectacular Dinagyang Festival, which we are kicking off tonight with our 15 beautiful young women all over Iloilo for the grandest beauty pageant in the region, Miss Iloilo 2024!
All roads have led us here to the cultural center of West Visayas State University, and tonight it's gonna be grand because among 15 gorgeous Ilongas here on stage, one have to compete and win the ultimate title, the title that will change their lives forever. Again, good evening, partner, and maayong gabi, Iloilo!
So the crown weighs heavy tonight. And as you said, partner, diba? It will change their lives forever, just like it changed yours in this very venue, in this very stage. Kinolekta pa namin ang kahoy na ginamit ng Rainbow.
Nako, baka yung footprints ko nandito pa,
Oo,
partner.
may mga marka pa kasi kailangan i-preserve na andito tumapak si Rabia Mateo, who went on to become Miss Universe Philippines and compete on the international stage.
Nako, ano ba yan? Ang aga-aga ng gabi pinapaiyak mo ko, pero with a grateful heart, I'm home, I'm back Iloilo, and I just wanna say thank you to Miss Iloilo Organization, Miss Pangging, Miss Sara, sa inyong tanan, hindi ko kamo maisa-isa, pero thank you so much for changing my life. 4 years ago, January 23, 2020, I won the title and the rest was history. Kaya madamo gid nga salamat Iloilo.
And you know what? As an empowered woman, you have paved the way for other Ilongas who also came from small towns. Kasi dati, I was told na cities lang usually nare-represent dito. But that's the beauty of pageantry. Yung essence talaga doon is a small town girl, probinsyana, who has a dream. And then she was crowned. And then she faced the whole world, or the universe rather. And this time, this is the biggest edition of Miss Iloilo because coming from all small towns, itong girls natin are 15 lovely candidates. And you started all that, Rabia. So can you tell us what town you represented and what the whole experience was like for you, concisely?
Back then, I represented Balasan, Iloilo. And you know what, partner? I always have this one thing in mind na I really want to make the Ilonggos proud. That's why when I was in Miss Universe Philippines, it was almost impossible. It was considered even a miracle for me winning. But you know, my humble beginnings, it really trained me and brought me the values in life, the wisdom, the experience that I need to share to the universe. And I might not be able to win the crown sa Miss Universe competition proper, but I felt like I won in life.
Definitely, and we would all agree with that, right, Iloilo? We are all so proud of you. You have made your mark in pageantry and in history. And ladies, I'm so excited for what's ahead of you tonight because this is the big moment that we have been waiting for. I'm thrilled to be here, and I'm so excited for this kabugan that we have for tonight, especially for this very, very strong batch of candidates. So let's get this show started. Tonight, the girls will compete in the swimsuit, evening gown, and of course, the all-important final question and answer portion. But before we take this one step further, we will be giving away our first set of corporate awards. All right, and I would like to call in our friend and co-host, Ryle Nunez, to help us give away our first set of corporate awards, and he is also holding the results in the envelope right over there. Hi, Ryle.
Hello, 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 Ilo! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What an honor it is to share this stage with 15 equally beautiful ladies of Miss Iloilo 2024. And of course, I'm truly humbled to share this stage with these ever beautiful ladies. Rabia, welcome back to Iloilo. And Nicole, love your outfit. You're blooming tonight.
I'm blooming. I'm a flower vase that's walking in the stage.
All right. And I came here on stage to bring one big news for everyone. I have the results for our corporate awards. Now the question is left to you guys. Iloilo, are you ready? That's the energy that we are looking for. And now, our first corporate award is Miss PLDT.
Miss PLDT will receive 10,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet. To give the award, we have Mr. Dance Day Mahalmagal, PLDT Panay Palawan Zone Head.
And your Miss PLDT is candidate number. Miss PLDT is candidate number 9, Alexi May Brooks.
The next award is Miss Fiesta Philippines.
Miss Fiesta Philippines will receive 10,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet. To give the award, we have President and CEO, Attorney Jobert Peña Florida, and Vice President, COO, Miss Rhea Peña Florida of Fiesta Favorite Souvenirs.
It's your lucky night, Alexi May Brooks.
Now our next special award is the Miss Grand Sing Imperial Hotel and Miss Imperial Appliance Plaza Award. And it goes to
Miss Grand Sing Imperial Hotel and Miss Imperial Appliance Plaza will receive 20,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet. To give the award, we would like to call Mr. Robert Alor, General Manager, and Miss Hershey Nikki Almeida, Assistant Manager of Grand Sing Imperial Hotel.
The award goes to candidate number 4, Hamda Higugma.
Our next corporate award is Miss Aesthetic Authority.
Miss Aesthetic Authority will receive 10,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet, and the chosen Miss Aesthetic Authority will also receive 100,000 worth of services. And to give the award, we would like to call Dr. Jessel F. Salazar, co-owner and medical director, Maria Isabel Cordero, co-owner, head of finance, and Mr. Kevin Escopel, brand ambassador.
Your Miss the Aesthetic Authority is candidate number 14, Ryan Luis Pataoy.
The next award is Miss the Medical City Iloilo.
Miss Medical City Iloilo is a beacon of wellness and compassion. With grace and dedication, she embodies health and well-being in the Ilonggo community, inspiring others to prioritize their health. Her advocacy resonates with the mission of the Medical City Iloilo, fostering a culture of care and compassion anchored on TMC Iloilo's value of patient partnership. As an ambassadoress of health, she stands as a symbol of Ilonggo empowerment and encourages everyone to embrace a healthy lifestyle. And the Miss Medical City Iloilo will receive 10,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet. And to give the award, we would like to request Prince Julian Hermain Salo, the Medical City Iloilo Chief Marketing and Sales Officer, Raymar Escopel, the Medical City Iloilo Senior Brand Manager.
Miss the Medical City Iloilo will be receiving her third special award tonight, Alexi May Brooks.
Our next award is Miss Acili Aesthetic Center.
Miss Acili Aesthetic Center will receive 10,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet. To give the award, we have Miss Acili Kyle Bragadas, owner and CEO, and Miss Lorella Bragadas.
Your Miss Acili Aesthetic Center is candidate number 1, Angel Jed Lectore.
Our next special award is the Miss Robinson Small Award.
Miss Robinson's Mall will receive a session bouquet and a 10,000 worth of gift certificate to give the award. We'd like to request Mr. Stephen Von Heruta, marketing head for Panay Balls, and Stella May Hembra.
And your Miss Robinson Small is candidate number 1, Angel Jed La Torre.
Our next award is Miss Caroline.
Miss Caroline will receive 20,000 pesos cash and bouquet. And to give the award, we would like to request Miss Jodeline Morillo, Senior Operations Manager and Iloilo Site Lead for Mega World Site, and Aurora Ernie, Senior Operations Manager and Iloilo Site Lead for SM Strata Site.
Please step forth one more time. Candidate number 9, Alexi May Brooks.
Our last award for our corporate awards for tonight is the Miss MG Grand Canyon Award.
Miss MG Grand Canyon will receive 10,000 pesos cash and bouquet. And to give the award, we have Felix Chang, President of SAIC Modern Philippines Incorporated Japanese, and Jan Andrew Paul, President Grand Canyon Multi Holdings Incorporated.
And your Miss MG Grand Canyon is candidate number 1, Angel Jed La Torre.
This evening. We will be giving more awards in the later part of the competition. Congratulations, ladies.
Congratulations, ladies, and thank you so much, Ryle, for helping us with that segment.
Thank you. I'll see you once again later on, ladies. Thank you, Iloilo. I'll see you again later.
Okay, but as you said, partner, diba, mahaba pa talaga ang gabi. This first set of corporate awards is just a little portion of the entire journey of the ladies here tonight. So hanggat sa wala pang nakokoronahan, hindi pa tapos ang laban. And I think at this point of the program, it's the perfect time to get to know our ladies, our 15 beautiful candidates, a little bit more. And let's start off with candidate number 1. Good evening. Introduce yourself. Say hi to your fans.
Good evening. Just want to say you're so beautiful, and so are you. Hi, everyone. My name is Angel Jed Zaragoza La Torre. I'm representing the beautiful municipality of Santa Barbara.
And feeling ko actually lucky charm mo for tonight. Kasi lahat in-announce ko sa'yo ng special award. So stay close to me. No, I'm just kidding. And then, okay, so it says here that you have been serving your advocacy about poverty alleviation for more than a decade already. So what has enabled you to sustain serving for your advocacy and building that this long?
Just a little background on my advocacy. Yes, I've been doing it for 10 decades, and the fuel that keeps me going is definitely the smiles on the children that I help. Seeing them happy and seeing their parents working hard for them really makes me happy, because I do livelihood trainings for them as well. Because I always say to myself to teach them to fish, not just, let them fish and not just wait for fish, because livelihood is everything. Thank you.
Definitely, I agree
love
with
the
that.
answer.
Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. Thank you so much,
Thank
candidate
you,
number
Angel.
1.
Now let's call on our candidate number 2.
Good evening, Kabatuan.
Hello and good evening. Good evening, everyone. Here's your question. As a Rubik's Cube master, wow! Could you share more about your expertise in this field?
I would not call myself a master yet, but I think I'm working towards it. And I think playing the Rubik's Cube and solving it is one of my pastimes, because as it trains my mind, it also helps me relax, because at the same time, being a fun game, it also helps me to calm down and think about things in life and how should I proceed whenever I encounter a problem, which is why playing the Rubik's Cube has also empowered me to be able to think through the problems that I face in life and be able to find a way to solve them.
Thank you so much.
I love the girls. They're so smart. We have a chance on the national competition. Let's go, Iloilo!
And parang, na-realize ko from you, kailangan ko lang siguro talagang matutunan mag-Rubik's Cube para mahanap natin ang sagot. No, but I have another question. Like, how did you get into it? Sino nag-abot sa'yo ng Rubik's Cube and was like, oh, try this?
So back when I was in junior high school, when I was in grade 9, my best friend got into solving the Rubik's Cube for fun. And I thought, that looks fun. Maybe I should try it. And she was the one who got me into solving the Rubik's Cube.
All right, so you, nalagpasan mo pa siya. All right, thank you so much for sharing that,
Thank
candidate
you,
number
candidate
2.
number 2.
Okay, so we have a mic now designated for the ladies. Candidate number 3, come up here on stage, please. Good evening, candidate number 3.
Good evening. Good evening, Miss Nicole. Good evening, Miss Ravia. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Maasin Nanon. How are you? Thank you so much for coming here with us tonight.
Okay, so candidate number 3, balita namin, Dean's Lister ka daw
Yes,
and
I am.
consistent ka dito.
Yes, I am.
So can you share to us kung ano yung mga factors that contributed to your consistent presence on the Dean's List?
Yes, thank you so much for that question. I believe that there is no such thing such as overnight success. Everything is all plain hard work, discipline, and consistency. Those are the 3 things. Those are the 3 factors for us to achieve our own definition of success. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. We'll remember that next time. Thank you, candidate number 3.
Thank you. Now we have candidate number 4.
Good evening, candidate number 4.
Hello. Good evening. Actually, my next question is something that I can relate on. You are allergic to makeup. How do you manage participating in events like this, Miss Iloilo, that involves extensive makeup application?
Well, as someone who's allergic to makeup, it is very hard for me. But we call this product hypoallergenic. It really helped me to build my makeup, to build myself more presentable in front of all of you. Thanks for this product, and it really helped me to preserve my natural beauty. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, up next we have candidate number 5. Good evening, candidate number 5.
Mayong gabi.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
All right, so it says here that you really admire your mom. So can you share with us why you look up to your mom so much? What is she like?
It's
because that nowadays it seems that the eldest children in such families often feels immense pressure prioritizing their siblings' education due to financial constraints. So I believe that they could significantly assess their siblings and parents, making their livelihoods easier. So as an eldest daughter, I am so proud to my mom for prioritizing us, for using her time at work just to sustain us in school incentives to educate us. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, pagbibigay-pugay sa ating mga nanay,
Totoo.
diba?
And sa Bible, di ba, yan yung commandment na may promise.
Yes, well said. You know, we all love our moms. I mean, what can't our moms do, Rabia?
Nothing. Exactly. I love you, MJ. Now, let's go to candidate number 6.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rabia and Nicole.
Okay, I love this question. Regarding your love for tattoos, what would you say to those individuals who do not have open-mindedness about them?
Yes, I actually currently have 4 tattoos, and I aim to have more. And I think it's okay. It's not everyone's cup of tea, and we totally respect everyone's opinion about it. A matter of fact, our ancestors also have it in the past. Declaration of love, anything that's connected to their religious belief, and that's okay. At the end of the day, this is who I am, and this is how I express myself.
Oh, I love it. Nicole, do you have tattoos?
I don't have one, but because lucky din. But I love how in pageantry now, di ba, Rabia, everything, parang we're more accepting.
I know. It started with Bea.
Yes.
And then Celeste.
Pero you're right. I'm glad that you brought up na it's a cultural thing as well. But more importantly, it tells the story of your life, di ba?
And it's a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Candidate number 6.
Up next, we have candidate number 7. Good evening, candidate number 7.
Good evening, Miss Nicole. Good evening, Miss Rabia.
Oh, she's tall.
Diba? How tall are you?
I'm 5'10" and a half.
5'10" and a half. Oh my gosh, you're towering. Okay, so even if you're tall, it says here that you have fears and you're on your journey to confronting them. So can you share with us? I'm gonna put you in a vulnerable spot right here, like some of these fears and how you're trying to conquer them.
Actually, one of my fear is facing a large crowd, and right now I'm here facing my fear and managing my stress, and I'm so happy to be in front of you.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
And you're doing very well. Thank you so much, candidate number
Thank
7.
you.
Up next, we have candidate number 8.
Say hi to your supporters. I hear a lot of people cheering for you.
Hi, everybody!
So I heard from your bio data, this is not your first time to join Miss Iloilo. And you have emphasized that someone believing in you is very important. Why is it crucial for someone to believe in us?
I think it is very much important because it gives us a strong message of hope. And exactly a year ago, when I first took a leap of faith and joined Miss Iloilo for the very first time. But that wasn't my night yet. As what Sir Ian Mendahar once said, it takes destiny to win. And I wasn't destined for that night. I doubted myself, I pressured myself, I overworked myself. I live up to the expectations of others, and I failed. I failed the people around me. But did that failure hinder me from believing that I'm capable of greater things in life? No, and if you ever think that I have ever given up, then I wouldn't be here fighting for that same dream. So what I want people to learn from my story is that sometimes one of the bravest thing a person can do is try. And try again. Just do it scared, even though our lips are shaking, our knees are shaking. Because we should live from our authentic self and do the very best in everything that we do, because by doing this, then we will never regret. Because by doing this, then we will never regret that we have conquered whatever it is that scares us the most.
You know what? We feel your energy so much. Sumasabay yung stage. Gusto nang tapusin at koronahan ka. Dahil yung sparklers ay lumalabas na. But thank you so much for that. That energy that you exude tonight, I'm so excited to see how you will reclaim your redemption story this year for Miss Iloilo 2024.
Good luck.
Good luck. Okay, up next, we have candidate number 9. Hello.
Hello. Good evening to you guys. Good evening to all our judges. And maayong gabi, Iloilo.
You look really familiar. You resemble a Miss Universe queen of our Zosie Bibi Tunzi.
She does.
2019. Okay. But I heard that you are a multi-awarded athlete, which we can see naman.
Well, I'm actually a member of the Philippine national team. I represented Iloilo, not only Iloilo, but the whole country in the Southeast Asian Games and a lot of other competitions as well.
Incredible resume at that. But we would like to ask, how do you handle defeat on your bad days as an athlete?
Well, you know, we need to understand that there are days that we win and there are days that we lost. But only in the times that we lost that we learn the most important lessons in our life. I had this one time that I competed for Southeast Asian Games, and I've been preparing for this competition my whole life. 2 days before the competition, I popped my hamstring and I wasn't able to compete. And then I realized then that God blesses my feet, or my mind rather, before it blesses my feet to run fast. So that day forward, I told myself that I might not win tonight or this competition, I will always come back, and I always told to the world or to the universe that I am better. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's not a bad day. It's just a bad day sometimes.
Yes.
Not a bad life.
And you know what? Listening to her, it feels like I'm listening to a motivational podcast.
Yes.
Good job.
So much.
Now we have candidate number 10.
Good evening.
Hello, Lemery. Here is your question. Your advocacy includes creating safe spaces for indigenous people. How do you plan to achieve this goal in your municipality?
Good evening, everyone. There's one indigenous community in my hometown. Although they have a different customs or cultures, they face the same harsh realities. In advocating indigenous people, I've learned that they have a special relationship with the land for where they live for the generations. I plan to achieve this goal in this municipality by using this platform, because I'm not just here, not just for the win the crown. I'm here to help the indigenous people and locals in all the people in my community. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10. Really nerve-wracking to be up here facing all this audience and answering an intimidating question at that. Hello, candidate number 11.
Hello, Miss Nico. Hello, Miss Rubia. You're so beautiful. And hello for the beautiful Iloilo.
There's the Ilongga spirit right there. Okay, so here is your question. Okay, I need the room to be really quiet for this question, okay? Because this is actually the first time that I'm hearing about this, and I'm genuinely interested in this one. So you are passionate about the lives of frogs. And your interest in frogs is quite intriguing. So could you explain the reason behind this passion? Like, do you think they're really cute? Do you want to save them from something?
I believe they are ugly, but that's what makes them beautiful. Because I correlate the frog to myself, because back in high school, I did not fit the conventional standard of being slim, pretty, and all of that. So, and I was super loud, so I could correlate myself to the frog, and it became my favorite animal that I even brought it even in my 20s.
This girl is my vibe. You see?
Your animal spirit.
But what do you do? Like, yung wallpaper ng cellphone mo are cute frogs?
My
or-
phone case
Your
is
phone
frog
case is
themed,
frogs.
and also what's inside my phone, and my gallery is full of frogs.
And when you see a frog on the road about to cross the street, in
I-
danger, you have to bring him home, or
No, I pick it up.
you pick him
Yeah,
up.
they're cute.
Do you
Even
have-
toads.
So you have frog children at home, or
No, I'm not allowed to keep them.
You're not allowed
My,
to keep
my mom hates them. But we own a garden and I feed the frogs there.
you're sneaking
What do you
some
feed
food to
them?
them?
Like, what do you feed them?
They eat random foods. Actually, they eat dog foods as well.
Wow, scientific breakthrough right there. But I love that. I love that. That's a really fun fact.
And we are learning tonight.
Yeah, we are learning a
Yes.
lot
Just
tonight.
so you know, my favorite frog is a rain desert frog.
Ooh.
They're just like round, cute things.
She knows her frog.
Feeling ko yung TikTok algorithm ko mamaya lalabas na yung frogs. Narinig na nito ng TikTok. But thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you so much.
And kailangan talaga, may isa lang magmahal sa'yo. Kahit na ugly frog ka, buo na talaga ang buhay mo, di ba? So thank you for loving the frogs.
Thank you so much. Now, let's go to candidate number 12. Candidate number 12 is a licensed professional teacher.
Yes.
What motivates you to participate in pageants again?
You know what, Nicole Rubia? I started joining pageants when I was in grade 6 and I stopped when I was in college because of beauty standard and height restriction. And I never thought of joining pageants anymore. So I focused on dance to finance my education and became a teacher. And as a licensed professional teacher, life taught me about proper timing, and every one of us has their own pacing in fulfilling their dreams in life. Here in Miss Iloilo, I am not just fulfilling my dream to be a queen. And with that, I am grateful with the organization. But I am also fulfilling my contribution to my community through my advocacy, which is dance. I am a dancing teacher / queen who dance for life with a purpose. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I wish we could see some moves of yours here on
Yes,
stage.
go ahead.
Oh!
Ako pala yung nag-talent ngayon. Nagulat naman ako.
Thank you so much na iniwasan mo ko doon. At kay Rabia mo lang binigay.
Walang kawala.
Okay, candidate number 13 is up next. Good evening, candidate number 13.
Good evening. It is an honor to share on stage with the both queens who represented the Philippines.
Thank you so much. Okay, it's an honor for us as well. Guys! Okay, so your advocacy is teaching children about environmental protection. Why did you choose to focus on children when raising awareness when it comes to raising awareness about environmental protection?
As a pre-service early childhood educator, I will always stand with this. If we teach children young, they will carry it forever. And according to NACI, the developmental of the child starts from 0 to 8 years old. Hence, my passion lies in instilling within young minds the fundamental importance of environmental protection and awareness. Considering the number of degradation and apathy of some to Mother Earth, it is high time to invest in children. Sow the seeds of understanding at an early age and they will carry it for their lifetime. Ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ni ng kalikasan. Pero dapat ang kabataan ay maaasahan rin. I'm doing my share and I hope you'll join me too in building a livable environment for the children of today and tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That saying is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Now, last but not the least, we have candidate number 14. You love your lolo and lola, so this is my question for you. How can we ensure the well-being and inclusion of older people amid societal changes?
Thank you. So let me tell you a story. I grew up with my grandparents. I realized and I have witnessed their struggle. Years go by, I was stuck with the thought of how could I give back to them, to the things that they have given me. Yet the world opened the door for me and given me this opportunity to be their eyes and to be their voice. So I am here standing in front of you to be a clear vision of the blurry perspective. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 14. That's really heartwarming.
I miss my Lola in heaven.
Oh, yeah. And it's good that, like the next generation always remembers them. Okay, candidate number 15, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
All right, so you are a mental health advocate. So your question is, given your advocacy for mental health, how can we address mental health issues in remote areas effectively?
Good evening, everyone. My advocacy is called Kasanag. It proposes on raising awareness and breaking the stigma against mental health crisis. A story of an Ilongga where she lost herself and find it through the warmth and beauty of her home, the municipality of Ahoy. Specifically, what inspired me was the lighthouse. It is also one of the landmarks of our municipality. It was built on 1892 and being used on 1895. And it became my mirror regardless of countless times of struggles from circumstances, still standing strong with a story to tell, and became a light to others. And I want to be that light to everyone's darkest lives, especially to the youth. Everyone is encountering mental health crisis, and I want to be their light because I do believe that every individual living this world has its own purpose. And tonight, mine has already been served. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 15. And that wraps it up for our casual interview with our 15 lovely candidates.
Let's give our lovely ladies a big hand. Congratulations.
Pero nagsisimula pa lang ang laban at papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part. Kaya we will see you in just a few.
Hello, hello, hello once again. Ilo, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an exciting evening for everyone. I can't help but feel ecstatic about how our ladies nailed those interview with Nicole and Rabia. That made us confident that whoever brings home the crown this evening will surely have a chance in the national pageant. What's more exciting is that Iloilo Dinagyang Festival 2024 was officially opened. It was opened yesterday, and so I can't wait to see you all in the streets of Iloilo. Let's all together Dinagyang in the streets of Iloilo City. You know, it took a village to give Iloilo the Dinagyang Festival that they deserve. So let's all take advantage of this. But tonight is a celebration of a heartfelt Ilonggo beauty. Miss Iloilo 2024 would like to thank the management and staff of Damirs Hills Farm and Spa Resort in Haniway, Iloilo for graciously accommodating our ladies during their photo shoot and swimwear pre-pageant competition. And of course, to Energetic Farmland and Inland Resort in Bajangan, Iloilo. I don't know if you can feel it, but it's getting hotter in here. Someone needs to boost the ACs up because coming right up is the swimsuit competition. I know that this is something that many of us have been waiting for. Our ladies will be judged according to fitness, beauty, poise, bearing, and confidence. And speaking of confidence, our ladies backstage need a lot of that. So you gotta let them hear your love. Iloilo, who's your favorite candidate? We can't hear it. Who's your favorite candidate? That's what they need backstage. Ladies and gentlemen, in swimsuits, exclusively designed by famed Ilonggo designer Jor-El Espina. Let's welcome back our candidates for the 2024 Miss Iloilo for their swimsuit competition.
Late at night, tryna hit you up. Where you been though? Let's get this all set up. No money on mine, just wanna party every day, every night. Grew up in your house, forget everything for a while. Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have candidate number 1, Angel Jen La Torre, representing Santa Barbara.
No money on mine, just wanna party every day, every night. Grew up in your house, forget everything for a while. Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Candidate number 2, Raniela Luis Aguila, representing Cabatuan.
Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Candidate number 3, Phoebe Marie Heka, representing Maasin. number 4, Handa Alexa Hudigpa, representing San Miguel.
Late at night, tryna hit you up. Where you been though? Let's get this all set up. No money on mine, just wanna party every day, every night. Pull up in your house, forget everything for a while. Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Canada number 5, Clarice Jocanes, representing Calao Dumangas.
Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Canada number 6, Shaima Alyansuri, representing Kimbal. Canada number 7, Roname Doringas, representing Bagong Dumangas.
Where you been though? Let's get this all set up. No money on mine, just wanna party every day, every night. Pull up in your house, forget everything for a while. Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
All right, we have Canada number 8, Nicolene Huday of Tigbawan.
Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Canada number 9, Alexi May Kaimasa Brooks, representing Leon. number 10, Riz Banyas, representing Lemery.
Late at night, tryna hit you up. Where you been though? Let's get this all set up. No money on mine, just wanna party every day, every night. Pull up in your house, forget everything for a while. Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Candidate number 11, Mariel Faye Dumabit of Pasig City.
Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Candidate number 12, Juani J. Nasangayo, representing Oton. Candidate number 13, JB Dublas, representing Concepcion.
Late at night, tryna hit you up. Where you been though? Let's get this all set up. No money on mine, just wanna party every day, every night. Pull up in your house, forget everything for a while. Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Candidate number 14 is Rain Luis Pontay, representing Pototan.
Come with me, and then you'll see that if you come with me, I'll show you a good time.
Candidate number 15 is Pearl Angel Franco, representing Ahoy.
Jorel Espina.
Hey, Jorel.
There. And with that stunning performance and Rampahan Rabia, I am so glad that we are hosts tonight and we do not have the difficult job of our judges. So it's time to get to know who our judges are. And can I just say, these are the most credible set of judges that we will be meeting tonight. Talagang dadaan sa butas ng karayom ang ating candidates. They are pageant mentors, pageant experts, and beauty queens themselves. Our first judge has entered the industry as a print ad and commercial model, working with prestigious magazines and endorsement brands, all while being a third-year BS Psychology student. As an environmental advocate, she is using her title as Miss Philippines Earth 2022 to the fullest by volunteering, raising awareness, and bringing to light her advocacies. Let's give a big round of applause to our first judge, Miss Jenny Ramp.
Judge number 2 is a BSBA Accounting Magna Cum Laude graduate from the University of the East, a certified public accountant and former President Bank Marketing Association of the Philippines. He is also an inspirational and motivational speaker, a professional lecturer, a former BDO Unibank Senior Vice President and Region Head. He is a contributing writer for Ricky Law in the Philippine Star for 20 years. He heads Aces and Queens and is a trainer for personality development. Friends, a warm welcome for our second judge, Mr. Jerry D. Diaz.
Or whom we fondly call Tito Jerry, who has raised us as beauty queens and has given us so much advice throughout our journey to become our best selves. Thank you so much, Tito
Thank you,
Jerry.
Tito. We love you. Thank you
We
so
love
much.
you, Tito Jerry. And our next judge has also raised so many beauty queens na nakoronahan na and has brought the pride of the Philippines back to our country. Our third judge is a graduate of BS Chemical Engineering from De La Salle University. He is the founder, CEO, and head trainer of the globally recognized pageant training camp, Kagandahang Flores. He is also an international pageant director and trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and honor to introduce to you Mr. Rodin Gilbert Rogel Flores. And I would say he is also one of the kindest people I met in the pageant world.
At hanggang ngayon, tinutulungan pa rin ako ni Tito Rog. That's why thank you so much, Tito.
So these set of judges, they have contributed so much.
Amazing
to so many
credentials,
lives.
amazing personalities. Thank you for being here. Our first judge is an international pageant runway coach and a celebrity mentor. He is a pasarela coach to Filipino queens such as yours truly and Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle Marquez D. Let's give it up for Coach Ian Mendahar.
The runway coach behind the signature walks of our representatives. Thank you so much, Ian. And lastly, our fifth judge is the model and beauty pageant title holder. Crowned Miss Silka Cebu back in 2017, Sinulog Festival Queen in 2019, and on the same year was also Reina ng Aliwan and Miss Millennial Philippines. Napanganak po talaga siyang maganda.
Yes, kamukha ni Marian Rivera.
Now I see it. And she was also crowned Binibining Pilipinas International in 2022 and represented the Philippines at the Miss International 2023 competition in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan, where she finished third runner-up. She is also a Habitat for Humanity ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you my Bini sister, Nicole Paramea!
There you have it, Iloilo, our distinguished Board of Judges for Miss Iloilo 2024. Another round of applause. The national flavor of our pageant is also enhanced by the appearance of our special guests. Ladies and gentlemen, singer-songwriter of Magandang Dilag, a true-blooded Ilonggo, Mr. J.M. Bales.
Once again, give it up for J.M. Bales, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back home, brother. Maraming salamat for serenading the crowd, and thank you for bringing Iloilo, representing Iloilo wherever you go. Buti na lang si J.M. Bales yung face ng Ilonggo, so other people would think na yung mga Ilonggos pogi at talented na. And of course, we also have to give a big round of applause to our distinguished board of judges for being here tonight. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for sparing your time to help the Ilonggos choose the next Miss Iloilo. For sure, you'll have the toughest job this evening because we have 15 chosen Ilonggos from all over Iloilo who are here tonight to conquer the title, and each of them has dreamt of wearing the crown and the amazing opportunity that comes with it. Pretty soon, we'll be turning that dream into reality, and for months, our candidates have been working so hard to get to this point. And this is a very important part of their journey to become Miss Iloilo 2024. And with that, let's all watch this. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our ladies have been through a lot throughout December and of course this January. They've been through different preliminary competitions and they're all set and ready backstage. They all look stunning and they're all ready, but I wonder if you guys are. Iloilo, are you ready? We now come to the most glamorous part of the pageant. The next segment will define a lady who personifies the combination of poise and elegance. Our ladies will be judged based on fit and suitability, poise and bearing, beauty, and overall stage appearance. And jewel-inspired evening pieces. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back our candidates for the 2024 Miss Iloilo for their evening gown competition.
Ready and 3, 2, 1, and play. Go. And go.
Wearing ruby in eyes. wearing red zebra.
Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may takipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga ka maluluwa pang maisog, ikaw nagadalas ang inspirasyon kang kusog, tumulagsaon ka panglaom sang dakpanwa, katahong nga labaw sa makita sang mata, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo.
Candidate number 3, Phoebe Marie Hecka, wearing patterns of Josh.
Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong na may takipusoon, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong na may takipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage, Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change. Love and compassion, mga inday kang nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo.
Candidate number 4, Handa Alexa Hudikpa, wearing Brian Cinco.
Heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may takipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga iki ay ang imo pagkariskada, kwapa pabugal ang inyong mga istorya, proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love and compassion, mga inday kang nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may takipusoon, Miss Iloilo.
Candidate number 5, Therese Jocades, wearing Winter Orlando.
Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom na may takipuson, Miss Iloilo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom na may takipuson, Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo.
Candidate number 6, Shaima Alyansuri, wearing Alfie Desamparado.
Ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage. Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom nga may takipuson, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga iki ay ang imo pagkariskada, gwapa pabugal ang inyong mga istorya, proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right.
Candidate number 7, Rana May Torrijos, wearing Fritz Cancan.
Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom nga may takipuson, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga ka maluluwa pang maisog, ikaw nagadalas ang inspirasyon kang kusog, tumalagsaon ka panglaom sang dakpanwa, katahom nga labaw sa makita sang mata, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom na may takipuson, Miss Iloilo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty.
Candidate number 8, Kathleen Hutay, wearing Alfie Desamparado.
Miss Iloilo. Ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage. Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo.
Candidate number 9, Alexi May Caimasa Brooks, wearing Malik Hilano.
Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom nga may tagipusoon. Miss Iloilo, Ilongga iki ay ang imo pagkariskada, gwapa pabugal ang inyong mga istorya. Proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty.
Candidate number 10, Ritz Banyas, wearing Junji Candelario.
With heartfelt beauty, katahom nga may tagipusoon. Miss Iloilo, Ilongga ka maluluwa pang maisog, ikaw nagadalas ang inspirasyon kang kusog. Tumalagsaon ka panglaom sang dakpan, wa katahom nga labaw sa makita sang mata. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom na may tagipusoon. Miss Iloilo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahom na may tagipusoon.
Candidate number 11, Marielle Faye Dumapit, wearing Mark Foss.
Miss Iloilo, ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage. Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga iki ay ang imo pagkariskada, kwapa pabugal ang inyong mga istorya, proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love and compassion, mga
Candid
inday
number 12, Giovanni Nasangayo, wearing John Lee Betita.
Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga ka maluluwa pang maisog, ikaw nagadalasang inspirasyon kang kusog, tumulagsaon ka panglaom sang dakpan, wag katahong nga labaw sa makita sang mata, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo.
Candid number 13, JB Dublas, wearing Jose Nacionales.
Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage, Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change, love and compassion.
Candid number 14, Rain Luis Pontay, wearing Carlos Simoy.
Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty, katahong nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga iki ay ang imo pagkariskada, kwapa pabugal ang inyong mga istorya, proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo.
Candidate number 15, Pearl Angel Franco, wearing dimple lace.
Miss Iloilo, Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty. Katahong nga may tagipusoon. Miss Iloilo, Ilongga ka maluluwa pang maisog. Ikaw nagadalasang inspirasyon kang kusog. Tumulagsaon ka panglaom sang dakpangwa. Katahong nga labaw sa makita sang mata. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty. Ilonggo with heartfelt beauty.
Miss Iloilo 2024 is presented to you by the Iloilo City Government, Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, co-presented by the Lyson Group of Companies and Joe Marie Lyson Jr., President and CEO, in partnership with Grand Canyon and MG Electric. We would also like to thank Isili Aesthetic Center, the Medical City Iloilo, Caroline Global Solutions, Bingo Plus, Iloilo Society Commercial Incorporated, Fiesta Philippines, Pepsi, The Aesthetics Authority, Richmond Hotel Iloilo, SM City Iloilo, and Robinson's Place Iloilo.
Ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage. Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change. Love and compassion.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a big round of applause for your candidates of Miss Iloilo 2024.
Okay, ladies, you look amazing in your evening gown. So tapos na, guys, yung swimsuit, evening gown. That's like 2 parts already of the competition. So their scores there have been added to their scores from the preliminary competition, which was also like a very important part, syempre in pageantry, because doon natin makikita talaga ang endurance at yung character ng ladies. So, 2 down, 1 to go. But before we announce who among these ladies will take a step towards the crown, we will be giving more awards, and we will start with Miss Dito Telecommunity. Sorry, that will be Miss Biscom.
Miss Biscon will receive 10,000 pesos, sash and bouquet. And to give the award, we have Dr. Nikos Rosales Sid and Engineer Rica Apalancia Peña.
Miss Biscom is candidate number 9, Alexi Brooks.
go to our next special award, which is Miss Mag.
Miss Max will receive 10,000 pesos cash and bouquet. And to give the award, we have Miss Max Ke, CEO and President of Max Nationwide, Miss Universe Philippines National Search Consultant.
Our Miss Max is candidate number 4 from San Miguel.
Our next award is Miss Bingo Plus.
Dagdagan ang dinagyang fun and happiness kasama ang Bingo Plus. Bingo Plus is the first live streaming bingo in the Philippines. Make sure to visit Bingo Plus booth to win exciting prizes. Kaya kita-kits tayo sa Bingo Plus booth located at Valeria Street, Iloilo City. At abangan ang Bingo Plus variety shows simula January 26 hanggang January 28. Kaya ano pang hinintay mo? Visit www.bingoplus.com and download the Bingo Plus app now sa App Store and Google Play. Dial for as low as 1 pesos. May chance kang manalo ng more than 75 million pesos. Panalo! Bingo Plus is licensed by PAGCOR. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Salamat Bingo Plus sa Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. Bingo Plus Play online bingo cards. And Miss Bingo Plus will receive 50,000 pesos cash and bouquet. To give the award, we have Miss April May Gaya and Mr. Juno Sarmiento, official representatives of Bingo Plus.
You can now shout bingo, candidate number. Candidate number 9, Alexi May Brooks.
Okay, our next special award is the Miss Lison Group of Companies.
Miss Lison Group of Companies will receive 10,000 pesos in cash, sash, and bouquet. To give the award, we have Dr. Celia Teresa Lison and Mr. Jose V. Lison Jr., CEO and President of Lison Group of Companies.
And the Miss Lison Group of Companies winner is candidate number... Sino? Candidate number 9, Alexi May Brooks. Our next award is Best in Advocacy and Tourism Video.
Best in Advocacy and Tourism Video will receive 10,000 pesos, sash, and bouquet. And to give the award, we'd like to call Celia Teresa Lison and Isabel Lison of Lison Group of Companies.
Take the center stage, candidate number 6, Shaima Aliansuri.
Best in Designers Fashion Show Award.
Best in Designers Fashion Show will receive 10,000 pesos sash and a bouquet. To award, we have Bo Parcon, fashion designer, and Ms. Marjorie Florete, entrepreneur.
The Best in Designers Fashion Show Award goes to candidate number 9, Alexi Maybrook.
Is Best in Talent.
Best in Talent will receive 10,000 peso sash and a bouquet. To give the award, let's call Dr. Risa Peña Sarabia and Dr. Brie Rosales Chaplin.
The candidate with the best talent is candidate number 11, Mariel Faith Tumapi.
Best in Cultural Costume will receive 10,000 peso sash and bouquet. To give the award, we would like to request Chef Rafael Tibong Hardaleza and Ms. Natalie Lim, General Manager of Richmond Hotel.
You must be proud of yourself, candidate number 9, Alexi Maybrook.
Awards. And thank you so much, Ryle, for all your help.
All right, I'll leave you guys here. I'll see you later.
See you later on. And now, we are about to make our first cut. From 15 stunning, empowered candidates, we are cutting it down to top 7. And you know, what makes Miss Iloilo 2024 extra special is whatever happens, the top 7 girls will already hold a placement. So how does this work? We will be awarding the second runner-up, first runner-up, there will be 4 candidates who will be heartfelt beauties. What does this mean? It means that the judges will still deliberate after this finals night and will announce the results 1 week later on the social media page of Miss Iloilo if they will send out these girls, our 4 heartfelt beauties, to certain pageants on the national stage and some also on the local stage, which is very good news because this means that the girls will have support from their
the
local
local.
government, and that's a huge thing already. And then of course, there will be one woman who will be crowned Miss Iloilo 2024. And just to, this is a new thing right here, so I want to be very, very clear. For the 4 heartfelt beauties, the judges, or even maybe the committee, can decide whether or not they would be sent to a pageant. It's not necessarily assured. Pero I guess how it works in the other pageants is kung nakita talaga nila na bagay sila sa certain pageants.
Yung hinahanap ng pageant.
Yes, yung diba, yung mold.
Yes.
Parang, okay, baka pwede
The
ka dito.
criteria.
Yeah. Then they can send the girl to that pageant. All right? Are we all clear? Okay, very good. So, are you guys ready to find out your top 7 candidates?
Nicole, I am to announce the names of our top 7 semifinalists, one of whom will become the next Miss Iloilo. Again, the numbers I am about to read would be in random and it doesn't reflect their scores or in numerical order. So, let's start. This is your lucky night. Candidate number 15.
The second spot is yours. Candidate number 1.
You are one step closer to the crown. Candidate number 4.
Your journey does not end here tonight because you are part of the top 7. Candidate number 6.
You have the chance to be the next Miss Iloilo. Candidate number 8.
Only 2 spots left. And the next spot belongs to you. Candidate number 2.
You are part of the top 7. Congratulations to you, candidate number. I can't hear you. Candidate number 9.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for your top 7 finalists. And thank you so much to all our ladies who had enough courage and bravery to step on this stage and take a chance at becoming Miss Iloilo 2024. And now the time has come, Rabia. I think this is our favorite portion.
Yes. I've been training for this portion very hard talaga. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of time to be knowledgeable, to share your wisdom, and of course, to conquer the nerves in answering questions like this.
Yes, this is the question and answer portion. And I know it's gonna be really hard to pick among the ladies on who we will be crowning tonight. So, we are only going to be asking one common question to all of them. And the rest of the ladies will be wearing earphones so that they won't be able to hear the answers of the previous candidates. Men, kindly put the earphones on our candidates, except for the first one we called, which is candidate number 15, whom we will meet in center stage. Candidate number 15. This is your final question. But I will make sure first that everyone has worn their
wearing their
earphones.
earphones.
Boys, okay ba?
Girls,
Thumbs up?
can you hear us?
Okay, girls, the winner is... Okay,
no
they cannot
reaction.
hear us. Nagulat kayo, di ba? But yeah, just to make sure, you know, we want to be very fair here, di ba? Okay, so candidate number 15, this is your final question. I will repeat it, okay, so that I'll make sure that you hear it. As an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
As a beauty pageant contestant with a convincing aura of beauty, and as an Ilongga with a heartfelt beauty, what message I can give to the past Ilongga is to be brave, to be herself, and to be confident. Because I do believe that if you empower that 3 aspects in yourselves, you will do all the things impossible into possible. And I do believe that if you conquered your best self, then you can do anything, whatever you want, especially when you wanted to reach all your dreams in life. And I do believe that every individual living in this world has its own purpose. So I am encouraging that past Ilongga to be brave, to be herself, and to be confident, because all the things that she wanted to receive in the future, she can conquer everything if she has a faith in God. Good evening, because we are not just, because I do believe that as an Ilongga, we are not just a city of love, but we are a home that filled of love. So we should beat our heart in Iloilo City. Good evening.
Thank you very much.
Started so good.
Let's go on with the next candidate, Rabia.
Let's go, candidate number 1. It's your time to shine.
Good evening, candidate number 1.
Good evening.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Here is your final question, and I will repeat it once so that we will make sure that you hear it. Here's your question. As an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
Women has always been a victim of discrimination all around the world, not only in Iloilo. What I would tell to the Ilonggas from the past is that there is a lot of development. And what I would tell to the Ilonggas of the future is that we need to take a step more into that. There are still a lot to fight for, and that's why I'm standing here tonight as a beacon of hope, of heartfelt beauty to everyone in this world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Good job. Up next, we have candidate number 4.
Good evening, candidate number 4, lovely in pink. So here is your final question, and I will repeat it once to make sure that you heard the question properly. As an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
For those people who doesn't know Pura Villanueva Calao, she's the first ever Ilongga to brought crown here in Iloilo City. And if given a chance to speak to our past, to our all Ilonggas beauty, I would like to tell him that we carry here in our past our cultures, our traditions, that we are here in front of you tonight. If we're given a chance to win this, I wanted to tell to each of the Ilonggas from the past that we are creating Iloilo more than anything. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Up next, we have candidate number 6.
Good evening, candidate number 6.
Good evening.
Breathe easy for the final question. That's right. So here's your final question, and I will repeat it once to make sure that you heard it well, okay? So as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
My message to the Ilonggas of the past is that Ilonggas have continued to progress as members of our society and have contributed so much for the betterment of our world as mothers, as noble professionals. And with that, I will tell them, thank you, and I am proud of you for all the things that you've done, for the battles that you've won, that led us here, that made us enjoy our present rights, and made us excel in diverse fields. And with that, I will tell them that women should continue to fulfill their dreams and live their purpose for themselves, their homes, and their communities. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I got goosebumps. Very much. The heat is on. Ang gagaling ng mga girls natin, Nicole. I'm so proud of them. Let's call on candidate number 8. Again, candidate number 8, you may take the center stage with us.
Good evening, candidate number 8. Yeah, let's fix that for you. You good? All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so here is your final question, and I will repeat it once to make sure that it's clear to you, okay? So here's your question. As an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
My message would be these exact words. Thank you for your bravery, hard work, resilience, and love. Thank you for setting the foundation and for paving our way to progress. Thank you for fighting your dreams and aspirations for Iloilo. Need not to worry because we promise that our generation will continue to do better, to take pride and cultivate our culture and heritage, to embrace our identity, embrace progress and innovation, to ensure a brighter, more sustainable, and an inclusive future for all Ilonggos. Salamat sa tanan ng pagpangikusog, paghimakas, pagantos kag pagpalanga. Kay ang syudad subong sa Iloilo, syudad nasang bugay kagubig. We love you, Iloilo, and our heart will forever beat for you. So together, let's keep making history. Rako gid nga salamat.
Thank you so much.
Grabe yun, nakakaiyak.
Sobrang saya ko sa Q&A portion. Thank you.
And the crowd goes wild. May I call on candidate number 2?
Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening.
There. Lovely seeing you here. Okay, here's your question, and I will repeat it once so that we're sure na narinig mo siya ng maayos, okay? So, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
It is a sad reality that women have been oppressed, belittled, and made to fit a certain mold. But to the Ilonggas of the past, I would like to say a heartfelt thank you for proving that women are capable, for breaking stereotypes, for breaking glass ceilings, and showing the world what Ilonggas are made of. We are of heartfelt beauty, and we are empowered. And with that, I would also like to thank you for inspiring women like me, who were once young girls, to take up a stage, to take up a profession, and show the world that we are women. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Nakakaiyak yung portion na to.
Kaya nga, no? Parang may kurot sa ating mga puso. Hindi lang bilang isang Ilongga, pero bilang isang babae. And the last but not the least, we have candidate number 9.
Hello, Alexi.
Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Na-memorize ko na talaga pangalan mo dahil Hakot Awards ka tonight.
Thank you.
So this is your final question, okay? I will repeat it once to make sure that you heard it clearly. Okay. As an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past? Once again, as an Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, what message would you send to the Ilonggas from the past?
Thank you so much for this question. As an Ilongga with a heartfelt beauty, I think one thing that I'm proud of is ever since from the past, we've always kept the spirit of Dinagyang. We've always kept the spirit of Pagpalanga. And the food that we had, that we are selected, was a creative city in gastronomy. It is the reason why this was from our past, that we preserve it and we deliver it to right now. And one thing that I also want to say is, I want women to move forward. Abansi babae. This is something that comes from my heart. I want to empower women. I want to educate and to advocate women from the past and right now, that women can be so much more, that we're capable of so much more. Abansi babae. My name is Alexime Kaimoso Brooks, and my heart will always beat in Iloilo City. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
There you have it, Iloilo, our top 7 semi-finalists for Miss Iloilo 2024. Nicole, naiiyak ka.
Kasi parang ang ganda ng pagbibigay-pugay lang. Because we women stand on the shoulders of the women before us. Even our heads, di ba? Our organizers
as well.
Yeah, I think
Ikaw,
every
Nicole.
woman in the crowd was moved by the girls' answers tonight. Beautiful, always beautiful, Miss Iloilo.
Ikaw, Nicole, kung ikaw yung tatanungin.
Ay, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so our ladies can now breathe easy. And this time, it is time to say farewell to the queen before them. Diba? Magbibigay-pugay tayo to their predecessors, which is Miss Iloilo 2023, because we all know na the crown weighs heavy for Miss Iloilo, especially with Miss Rabia Mateo heading the pack.
And now, as we prepare the crown for the new queen, it is time to say farewell to the lady who won the crown last year. Ladies and gentlemen, our reigning Miss Iloilo Universe 2023, Treñas Shane Saulog.
surely you will be triumphant. This farewell is not the end, but only a checkpoint to a further journey full of growth. I still have so much more to be thankful for and so many people I have not mentioned, but from the bottom of my heart, I am grateful to have you in my journey through life. And I am Rainiel Shane Saulog, an advocate.
Gentlemen, let us welcome back. this point, we would like to call on stage the chairpersons of Miss Iloilo 2024. A round of applause to Miss Sarah Pena and Miss Beverly Banking Rosales.
remarkable Miss Iloilo 2024 journey, we've witnessed the embodiment of grace, intelligence, and resilience. Each contestant has illuminated our stage with their unique brilliance. As we have to crown our queens tonight, let us continue to celebrate not just beauty, but the strength, determination, and character that make this woman exceptional. May their influence inspire us all to reach new heights and embrace heartfelt beauty within. Thank you for joining us in celebrating these extraordinary individuals. Tonight, we're going to witness the essence of the true heartfelt beauty.
Thank you. Tonight's beauty isn't just about what you see, but the resilience it embodies. Crafting this pageant needed a lot of patience, endurance, and dedication. Thank you to my dear Madam Sara Pena, the Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, headed by Chairman Judgy Pena, President Alan Tan, and our Executive Director, Ms. Joyce, Iloilo City Mayor Jerry Treñas, and Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganzon. The CMO production team, headed by Gab and Jan Ray, our creative team, headed by Patrick, Secretariat, headed by Pauline, our Provincial Tourism Officer, Direk Bombet, my ever-supportive compare and bro, Jo Marie Laison, our loyal sponsors, our local and national media guests, our board of judges, Tito Jerry, Tito Rochel, Nicole, Jenny, and Ian, my love. My Shobe, Mags, Kwe, our hosts, my adopted daughters, Nicole, Cordoves, and Rabia Mateo, and our very own J. Ambales and Ryle for their unwavering support. This event is a testament to the excellence of our beloved city, province, and community. Heartfelt thanks to all. Good evening.
Wait lang, Miss Pangging and Miss Sarah. Guys, I just want to share something about the two amazing women who just gave speeches. When I won Miss Universe Philippines, I have no money, nowhere to stay. Miss Sarah Pena was kind enough to offer her condo in Manila para maistaran ako kahit papano. Thank you, good Miss Sarah. And with Miss Pangging, when, you know, hindi man gid ko front runner, when nobody believed in me, I remember the night before my competition, she called me and she told me na I'm gonna win, and she's 100% sure. The Miss Iloilo organization is so lucky to have two amazing women. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
I'm just so happy to witness beautiful and groundbreaking events such as Miss Iloilo to be led by two really powerful women I look up to. Tita Pangging, Tita Sara, I love you so much. So much. At maraming salamat sa mga Ilongga at Ilongga for always having me back here in Iloilo.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request all the sponsors to please come up on stage to have a photo op.
Okay, photo op once again with the sponsors of the pageant. No. Later on, sabi ni Power Woman, Tita Pangging. But thank you so much to our sponsors. Without you, this event will not be possible. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much. You can see all our sponsors up here on these screens, and we would like to have a photo op with you later on.
Thank you so much for your generosity and for making Miss Iloilo successful.
And now, before we crown our winner, let me say that any of these Magic 7 will make a wonderful Miss Iloilo 2024. Ladies, you blew us away. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. We want to inform our audience also here tonight that we will first announce the second runner-up, the first runner-up, and then we will crown our Miss Iloilo 2024. And as I explained a while ago, the rest of the Magic 7, the top 7, who were not called or crowned, they are automatically our heartfelt beauties. So there will be 4 heartfelt beauties that will once again be announced a week after tonight on the social media pages after further deliberation by our judges and our committee. At this point, I would like to ask Ryle to please join us up here. Hello, Ryle. I know you have the results over there already. You've been really busy.
I'm excited to bring the result to Iloilo, and I'm ready to announce who this year's Miss Iloilo is. But Iloilo, once again, are you ready? As previously announced, we will have 2 runners-up, 4 heartfelt beauties, and 1 Miss Iloilo 2024. And before that, we would love to announce our special awards for this evening. Our best in swimsuit. To present the award, we have Jorel Espina, fashion designer and a Bulak Luring entrepreneur. And best in swimsuit will be awarded sash, bouquet, and 10,000 pesos cash. Iloilo, your best in swimsuit is... We need a louder candidate number! You guys got it right, candidate number 9, Alexi May from Mosso Brooks.
The Best in Evening Gown Award, and to award our chairwoman Sara Peña and co-chair Beverly Pangging Rosales. The Best in Evening Gown will be awarded a sash, a bouquet, and 10,000 pesos in cash. The Best in Evening Gown Award goes to candidate number 1, Angel De La Torre.
once again give a big round of applause to the winners of our minor awards for this evening. And of course, let's give a big round of applause to the rest of our ladies. Thank you, ladies, for taking on the courage and taking on the stage of Miss Iloilo 2024.
All right, now it's time for the moment of truth, and the results are in. Let us start with Miss Iloilo, second runner-up. The award are the IFFI Board of Directors, Dr. Ronald Latap and John Lex Bayombong with Miss MDC Globe International 2024, held in India, Hitomo, Pangilinan. The Miss Iloilo second runner-up will also be awarded a sash, a bouquet, and 5,000 pesos worth of services from the Aesthetic Authority and 80,000 pesos in cash. Our Miss Iloilo second runner-up is candidate number. Our second runner-up is candidate number 6.
Congratulations, candidate number 6, our Miss Iloilo 2024 second runner-up. And up next is our Miss Iloilo 2024 first runner-up. To present the award, may we have Ian Mandahar, International Pageant and Miss Earth Top 10 finalist Christina Tallador. And Miss Iloilo first runner-up will be awarded sash, bouquet, 5,000 pesos worth of services from the Aesthetic Authority, and 100,000 pesos worth of cash. And we say congratulations to candidate number 15.
The next award that I will be announcing is our Heartfelt Queens, 4 queens in random order. To award our Miss International 2023 third runner-up, Miss Nicole Borromeo and Councilor Miguel Treñas. Miss Iloilo 2024 Heartfelt Queen will be awarded sash, bouquet, 100,000 worth of services from Esli Aesthetics and 120,000 cash. You are on the first spot as our Heartfelt Queen, candidate number 8.
Miss Iloilo 2024 is, and our next heartfelt queen who will be receiving the same amount of prizes as announced by Rabia a while ago. But this time, to award her is the founder and CEO and head trainer of globally recognized pageant training camp, Kagandahang Flores, Tito Rogil, and co-chairwoman, Beverly Pangging Rosales. Our next heartfelt queen is candidate number 1. And at this point, there are only 3 ladies left. And only one will be crowned Miss Iloilo 2024.
It is now time to call the next Iloilo's heartfelt queen. She will receive the same prizes previously announced, but this time we'd love to have Miss Earth Philippines 2022 Jenilyn Ramp together with Jo Marie Laison of Laison Group of Companies to present the award. Iloilo's next heartfelt queen is candidate number 2.
So what we will do is we will be announcing our last heartfelt queen, which means the name we do not call is Miss Iloilo 2024. And she will have her own moment after we complete the sashing of the heartfelt queens. Once again, the same awards and prizes for our heartfelt queen, but this time she will be awarded by Jerry Diaz, the head of Aces and Queens, and chairwoman Sara Peña.
On the other note, Miss Iloilo 2024 will be awarded by Shane Saulog, crown turnover with IFFI President Alan Ryan Tan and Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganzon. Iloilo, are you ready?
Once again, Iloilo, are you ready to meet your new queen? Let's start with the heartfelt queen. Your heartfelt queen is candidate number. She is candidate number 4,
which means Miss Iloilo 2024 is candidate number 9, Alexi May Cruz.
katahom hindi lamang makitaan kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man.
Miss Iloilo is also Miss Bingo
Miss
Plus.
Iloilo, where hearts unite the chain.
Is also Miss Dito.
Compassion, mga inday kang nene, your beauty will set things right.
Miss Iloilo 2024 is also Miss Air Asia.
Miss Iloilo,
Miss Iloilo 2024 is also Miss SM.
Miss Iloilo,
May request
Ilongga with heart,
Miss Iloilo to please come forward
Ilongga with heartfelt beauty.
to receive the sash.
Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, katahom nga may taki pusoon. Miss Iloilo, makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world of influence, we stand on the stage. Miss Iloilo, where hearts unite to change. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahom nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga iki ay ang imo pagkariskada, gwapa pabugal ang inyong mga istorya. Proudly showcase the present and the past, so our heritage will forever last. Love and compassion, mga inday kag nene, your beauty will set things right. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahom nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Ilongga ka maluluwa pang maisog, ikaw nagadalas ang inspirasyon kang kusog. Tumalagsaon ka pang laom sang dakpan, wag katahong nga labaw sa makita sang mata. Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Miss Iloilo, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahom nga may tagipusoon, Miss Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilongga with heartfelt beauty, Miss Ilongga with heartfelt beauty. Katahom nga may tagipusoon, Miss Iloilo. Miss Iloilo. Ang imo katahom hindi lamang makitaan, kundi kaanyag nga mambatyagan man. In this world